Calculate the density of a material that has a mass of 52.457 grams and a volume of 13.5 cubic centimeters. We're going to solve this problem using the 4-step problem-solving method. The first step is identifying what we know. So what we know is that the mass, which we'll represent with m, is equal to 52.457 grams. We also know that the volume is equal to 13.5 cubic centimeters. What we don't know is the density. I'm going to leave that as a question mark. Alright, next we're going to identify the relationship we need. So the relationship is the equation that ties all the things that we know together. So that relationship or equation is going to be what we know, which is the fact that density is equal to mass divided by volume. Alright, in our third box, we're going to plug in what we know into our relationship. So D, we don't know it yet, so we're going to just leave it as D. Mass is 52.457 grams. Volume is 13.5 centimeters cubed. So now to calculate what D is, all we have to do is divide these two numbers. So grab a calculator, divide these two. I just did on my calculator. And what I got was a long decimal, which comes out to around 3.8857. However, since our volume only has one decimal in it, we're only going to use one decimal for our final answer. So we have 3.88. I'm going to round that to 3.9. So our final answer is 3.9. And then we have to include our units. So density is mass over volume, so I have to include the unit of mass, which is grams, over centimeters cubed.